Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by marking the dart precisely so the bust apex aligns. Pin the two dart legs together, right sides facing. Make sure the apex points meet. Once pinned, baste from the wide end toward the apex with long stitches, leaving a tail of thread at the point. You do this so you can try the garment on and adjust. If the apex doesn't sit exactly over the bust, you can shift the basting slightly before final sewing. You now sew the dart properly. Start at the wide end and sew toward the apex, slowing as you approach. Stop about 1/4 before the tip. Secure with a short backstitch, then switch to a hand-sewn ladder stitch or tiny stitches to finish the apex for a flat point. Once sewn, clip or trim the excess seam allowance if bulky. Then press the dart. Use a tailor's ham to shape the curve so the fabric contours smoothly over the bust. You finish by pressing the dart toward the desired direction and understitch if a facing is involved so it lays flat. Trim or grade the seam allowances to reduce bulk and clip any inner curves carefully. Check the fit. If you see puckering at the apex, unpick the last few and resew with smaller stitches or slightly reduced seam allowance. Make sure the apex lies smooth. If not, adjust the intake evenly on both legs and repress until the curve reads.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.